This is not good.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito.
And a Lucha Copper here.
And today we got ourselves the Rival Motorsports TrailHawk 10. And this is a 2021 model. I'm kind of excited about this.
You're giddy, aren't you?
Yeah, this thing's really, really cool. If you
Finally
guys remember,
that may hold him.
Yeah, if you guys remember, I rode the Mudhawk, and we beat the living daylights out of that thing.
And he bent the crap out of the axle.
Everything I could give to it, except for I bent the axle. And this is its basic. This is the sport version of that bike, but this is a 2021.
All upgraded and redesigned.
Yeah, it's flat black. It's flat black with green. It's got a speedometer. It's got all the cool, the remote start, stop.
Double wishbone suspension, front disc brakes.
Yep, front disc brakes.
Let's go on and on.
It is the 125 as well. It doesn't have the polished exhaust like the other bikes have, but this thing's really, really rocking. It has LED headlights, and I can't wait to get this thing together and ride it.
We're going to take this down the trails too, people.
Yep. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this thing off the bottom of the crate. We'll get the rear wheels on, and we'll get everything set up and ready to go and bolt together. Show you guys really basically.
It's going to be a piece of cake.
Yeah, how easy it is to get together.
13 bolts and you're done.
Yeah, 13 bolts. That's what it is.
That.
Yep. So let's get on with it.
Shall we?
All right, people. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up. Luch is getting the bars on. And we'll do a walkthrough in a second here. I just want to get this tightened up a little bit. Get the cotter pin in.
Now, we've taken the liberty of putting the left side together, but the right side assembly is the same as the left, except on the other side.
Yeah.
So you too can do both sides at the same time.
Yeah, we just wanted to make this video a little quicker for you guys, and I'll walk you through right now.
Now, this does have the little pedestal mounts on the handlebars. It also has a little spot here for a bracket where your speedometer will go on later on. So make sure you mount that onto your handlebar brackets.
Okay, so now I got that tightened. Did I mention that with the Rival bike comes as well, with the Rival TrailHawk? Where are they, Luch?
Where are the what?
Where are the hand guards?
Oh, the hand guards are right there.
It comes with hand guards. Check this out, people.
Hand guards.
Hand guards for the handlebars as well, too.
So you don't mess with your fingertips on the trail.
Yep. So, anyways.
And it does appear.
I'm going to go ahead and grab the camera here in 1 second here. I'm going to do a little walk around.
Okay. Are we ready now?
Yes, we're running now.
Oh, you ready? All right. People, this is your caliper assembly that you're going to have to put together. It's got your spindle and everything all assembled. And what you're going to have to do is mount it to your ball joints and then attach your tie rod end. Okay? And you just set it right down on top like that. And you take your lock washer and your castle nut and you run it on down.
Let's get up there so you can
just like so. And you tighten it down to where you can get your cotter pin inside here. Just like so. Check that out, people. And then you take your cotter pin and stick it right like that. Cool. And then you do that with your upper ball joint, making sure that your bike does not fall. And then again, you take your lock washer and your castle nut.
Which nut?
These nuts. Tighten these nuts good and tight. And just like the bottom, you'll tighten the top until you get your holes lined up. Just like so. Take your cotter pin and stick it inside. Just like that, people. Now you can go on, do your tie rod end.
Let's get back on the other side here.
Okay, people, and after a little coercion, you can stick that right back through there. And once again, line up the holes, people. It's imperative to line up the holes. Okay.
All right. So I'm going to walk you guys around here real quick.
Show them what else we did here, Chip.
What we did was we got the bars mounted, and then we got to mount the speedometer bracket as well. So we'll be showing you guys that. We got to get the back rack on, but we did mount the tires, and we got everything tightened up there. The tires and the wheels. Now we did mount the other side as well. And Luch is mounting that right there. And then basically we're going to install the battery, the back rack, the front bumper, and put some gas in it, fire it up, and take these things for a ride.
Yeah, buddy.
So what do you say to that, Lucci?
I say I can't wait to ride this beast.
What was that?
Oh yeah, you get to ride this beast.
That's right.
Okay, now you gotta put your wheel on, like so. Just like so. And then you can put your lug nuts on and tighten them down accordingly.
So we're getting the bar tightened down, and the back rack on, the front bumper. So go ahead and start on the back rack.
Where back rack?
Back rack. Where's the back rack, Jack?
Right there.
Yeah, where's the other part for the back rack, Jack?
Right there.
Well, there we go.
There you go.
There we go.
All right. Let's see here. You'll probably want them a little further up, huh?
Yes.
Okay, grab that gun. Give me that gun.
Yes, further up. Most definitely further up. And these are the 4 bolts for the rear rack. Back rack on. Now the back rack is a 10 millimeter and a 13 millimeter bolt. Pretty basic.
And your gauge cluster here just takes a 8 millimeter bolt, and you just cinch them on down here, and you have your gauge cluster. Okay, let me move this just a little bit the other way, so you can see it. There we go. There we go, huh? There. Just like that.
It's 13 millimeter on one side, 10 millimeter on the other. Told you, Luch.
So what do you need?
I don't need the 10 millimeter, thank you.
What is it that you need?
Nothing else. I need you to put on that front bumper, sir. Explain the dynamics. Actually, why don't you put on the hand guards?
Those hand guards are silly.
Put them on, please.
I'd rather put on front bumper.
I like the hand guards.
You would. Okay, gun with 10.
Where's the 10 millimeter? There it is.
Are you done with that?
No.
We're busy people.
That's why I said go ahead and start lining up the...
Pop the seat while you're there.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Oh, he's going to get the battery.
I put a battery in too.
There we go.
People, you know the drill on the battery. This one has an extra fuse in it. The others don't. Because of the extra remote start on it.
And the LED lights.
And the LED lights. Those are pretty neat, you know that?
Yeah, that's really it looks good on the picture. I got to see what it looks like.
ATV battery, people. And make sure you recognize your polarity. Because the wrong polarity could mean a lot of problems.
Yes, you definitely don't want to put your positive on your negative and your positive.
And people, don't forget your straps. Strap it down, people. Strap it down. Or you're going to lose your power.
There we go. There's your
right.
10 millimeter. Oh, actually, you know what? No, I'll go ahead and do this while you're getting the battery on.
Me and the battery got something
Why
going
don't you
on.
hand me that rack there, right there, buddy.
Nice rack. There you go.
So these are 10 millimeter bolts as well, and the nuts are welded onto the bottom rack there. So, neighbor?
No. All right, people. Our positive is on now.
You positive?
I'm positive that I have just sheathed the positive, but unfortunately, I have forgotten one.
Told you.
Because I had just mentioned that it has a fuse.
Yep, fusible link.
Don't forget to hook up your fuse.
Yep.
People, don't be like me.
Don't lose it up.
All right, now you can sheath your meat. Hey, that's my toe.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Okay.
And now we can put on the negative side.
Now we got on the back rack.
Go on to the front rack, Bert, back rack.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm doing right now. Now, the front rack is pretty basic. Really, really simple. 4 bolts. And there's your bumper.
Let's do this, huh? Look at that.
I don't know why you didn't do that a long time ago.
Because you worked hard to get that far. Thank you, Craftsman. You've been a great help.
Where's the 4 bolts for this, buddy?
There's 2 in here, and there's 1 right here.
And 1 right here.
Hey, look at that.
Got it.
He's been pulling stuff out of his butt for a long time. All right, now we can put the seat back on, people.
We're almost ready for this.
I needed the new shower cap. Okay. Boy, it's hot in this thing. All right, now let's stick this back in like so, and down you go. There you go, people. Your rival motorsports. Whoa, it gets hot in there. Save that for later, people.
Now this awesome little rubber baby bumper.
Okay. Are you sure? Are you sure you want these on?
Yes, most definitely.
Okay. I'm not sure about these, but we'll put them on, huh? Okay, there's these little end caps over here on the handlebars. Now you can ride it without the end caps, but you can't ride it without the handlebars.
No handlebars.
Okay, so I'm figuring the best way to do this is to start with this way and finish up with that way.
This thing is really, really cool. I like it a lot.
Whee!
Can't wait to ride it. It'll be perfect time.
But when you do ride it,
It's cooling
remember,
off a little bit.
ride with safety. Because you can't ride without safety without spelling safety, people. Remember that.
Howdy, neighbor.
We don't have any neighbors here on Luch Mountain. Only visitors. Unwanted visitors.
Am I an unwanted visitor?
Sometimes!
Oh, right there.
It
There
was
you go.
probably up your butt.
I sat on it.
Good for you. Okay.
We'll insert some sort of good
Good
sound
humor.
there. Good sound there. This thing though is really, really impressive.
Really?
I mean, I like the powder coating, the black and the green scheme on the powder coating, the flat black color with the green sticker package. I like this thing a lot. Really, really tight fit with this bumper, but still like it.
All right, let's try and get this on here. You want these silly things?
You're asking for it again, yes. That is correct. You're gonna like them once they're on there.
I don't think so. Considering I'm not going to be the one riding this.
What are you saying?
I'm saying I'm not going to be the one riding this.
Not good.
No, neither do I. That's one thing we have in common.
Almost done?
Almost.
Give me that mallet. Yes.
It's right there.
Yes. Let me
Get it yourself.
We gotta tap this. We gotta give this thing a little bit of persuasion. And sometimes with these things, you do gotta give them just a little bit of persuasion. But everything works out okay in the long run.
Usually.
Can't give it too much persuasion from here though.
Persuade on.
There we go. There we go. Anyways, guys, this is the rival, the 2021 rival TrailHawk 10. It's the 125. It's even got the nice little coil pack on it, all that stuff. So I'm looking forward to this thing a lot. What do you say, Luch? You looking forward to it?
I'm feeling giddy about this bike right here.
I promise I'll let you ride it.
Yay!
I gotta jump it first.
So much for that idea.
Remember what happened
He's
last
gonna
time?
bust the axle.
I told Luch I'd let him ride it. The last one that I had,
Then he breaks it.
and I jumped it. That thing took a lot of beatings from me, wouldn't you say? I went up that big old steep hill, bouncing all the way up that thing, which was great, and then bounced all the way down it, jumped it a few times, came down wrong. That's all that happened.
It came down wrong on your butt.
I didn't crash. The bike did.
You still with us, people?
So anyways, while Luch is putting on that last handguard, I'm going to go ahead and gas this up, and we're going to go ahead and get ready to fire this up.
I'm feeling quite gassy already.
Yeah, so we're just about ready to go, people. So we'll get right back to you, all right? All right, people. So there we have it. We got this thing assembled. We're going to actually get ready to take this thing out for a ride.
Didn't take much to get it together, did it, people?
No, it really didn't. What did we do here, Luch?
Well, we put on some front suspension there, the spindles and the brakes and the front tires. We put on some handlebars and a gauge cluster and some handguards. We put on some rear tires and Burt Bacharach.
Yep,
We put a battery in it,
yep,
and now we're ready to go.
yep. We put some
That's
fuel
all
in
there
it.
is to it.
Now all we got to do is give it a start real quick to make sure it runs.
Turn the key on.
Give it a
Listen to that, people. Raring to go. Trail modding madness.
Now we're going to do this a little different for a change. We're not going to review this bike because we already know how these bikes run, and this bike runs good. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and say goodbye now, and thank you guys for watching, because we're going to get ready to do a live stream in about an hour and a half, and Luch and I got to go for a ride. So I'm going to insert the clip at the end of this video, and then maybe there's some little shenanigans from Luch at the very end after that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out all the Rival Motorsports, all their ATVs and stuff like that. They do have some new stuff coming.
Especially the TrailHawk 10, people.
Yes.
And the new 2021.
Yes, and the Mudhawk 10 and the TrailHawk and the Mudhawk 6. Those are all little
Awesome
cool little bikes. So anyways, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to come back and do keep your eye out for some more videos of this going
a lot more of these,
and the other ones. So we're going to do a lot of ATVs for you guys. We just want to get them out there and have you guys see them. Because Rival Motorsports and Tal Motors,
right there, people.
and Tal Motors are really, really good products, and they're stepping it up year by year. And I'm really, really happy to be able to get stuff like this.
A lot of great customer service right here.
Yep.
Customer satisfaction.
Yep. So anyways, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Dorito.
And the Luchacabra.
And don't forget, rock on.
Don't rock me on.
Peace.
This one. You know, you're getting better. I didn't even have to worry about Bangkok.
Much.
But, why you gotta run up behind me like that?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.